Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The Best Puppet Crafts is probably one of the most enchanting and rewarding creative outlets, offering endless possibilities for storytelling, imaginative play, and hands-on artistic expression for all ages, transforming simple materials into beloved characters that spark joy and foster developmental skills, making it a perfect activity for families, educators, and anyone looking to unleash their inner puppeteer and bring fantastical worlds to life right from their living room. Number 5. WATINC 6PCS Hand Puppet Making Kit. This all-in-one DIY kit provides everything needed to design and create unique puppets. It includes colorful unfinished puppets, pom-poms, googly eyes, and felt decorations, all in a sturdy storage box. These easy-to-use materials are perfect for creative play at home or in the classroom. This educational toy promotes brain development and creative thinking. Through hands-on activities, children enhance imagination, concentration, and fine motor skills. It also helps build social skills through interactive play. These projects are easy, safe, and incredibly fun, offering endless indoor activity. Children will love creating their own puppets and engaging in imaginative play. Its non-toxic, child-safe materials ensure a worry-free experience for everyone. This makes an excellent birthday or holiday present, perfect for various occasions. It's also a great educational toy and teaching aid for school projects. Parents and teachers value it as a meaningful gift that combines fun with developmental benefits. With 6 unfinished hand puppets, kids can customize their own designs using the included decorations. This activity sparks imaginative play and allows them to express creativity while developing practical skills. The simple process encourages them to bring their puppet characters to life, making every creation one of a kind. What we like. This all-in-one kit provides everything needed for classic felt sock puppets. If you're looking for a complete, traditional puppet-making experience with soft materials, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for fostering creativity and fine motor skills with a variety of included decorations. What people say. Number 4. WATINC 9-Pack DIY Monster Hand Puppet Craft Kit. This lovely DIY monster hand puppet kit gives kids the motivation to create. With their imagination, fantastic monster body parts become distinctive creatures. Let them create their own unique monsters. It helps promote brain development and creativity in children. This kit enhances imagination, concentration, and strengthens hands-on abilities. It also encourages interactive play and friendship building. It's suitable for preschool learning, evening storytelling, and costume pretend play. Use it for baby showers, art craft activities, or family gatherings. It's also great for birthday parties. Not only is it a great educational tool, but it also makes a wonderful gift. You can even use it as photo booth props with your little monsters. Imagine the beautiful pictures you'll capture. The package includes 9 colorful paper bags, 9 monster craft cards, and 9 stickers of various shapes. A roll of double-sided adhesive tape is also provided. This allows for the creation of 9 unique hand puppets. What we like. This kit offers a unique twist with its monster theme and paper bag design. If your kids love imaginative play and creating spooky, fun characters, this set will spark their creativity. It's an ideal activity for early learning, promoting brain development and hands-on ability through monster creation. What people say. Number 3. WATINC 9-Pack DIY Animal Hand Puppet Craft Kit. Discover the joy of creating with this fantastic craft kit. It's perfect for kids to bring their favorite animal characters to life and dive into exciting pretend play. This kit helps promote brain development and sparks creativity. It enhances imagination, concentration, and strengthens hands-on abilities, all while building friendships. Use them for costume play, captivating evening storytelling, or as a fun art project. They also make creative gifts, unique photo booth props, or simply a beautiful present. These puppets are ideal for birthday parties, themed gatherings, and baby showers. They're also great for summer vacation activities, preschool learning, and school drama shows. Each package comes complete with colorful paper bags, animal craft cards, stickers, and double-sided tape. You'll have everything required to create 9 unique hand puppets. What we like. This set provides a fantastic opportunity to create 9 different animal puppets using paper bags. If you're planning a party or need an engaging group activity, these animal-themed crafts are perfect for interactive fun. It's great for promoting imaginative play and building friendships in a party setting. What people say. Number 2. Animal Hand Puppet Crafts Kit. Discover the Animal Hand Puppet Crafts Kit, a fantastic way for kids to create their own felt animal friends. This kit provides everything needed for fun DIY sewing projects, perfect for storytelling and imaginative play. Each pack contains instructions, plastic needles, thread, stickers, and materials for 8 unique animal puppets. From a chick to a tiger, these cute images offer a variety of choices and endless fun for your little ones. Safety is paramount with this kit, made from premium, non-toxic felt that's soft and durable. The plastic needles are not sharp, ensuring children won't get hurt, making it perfect for ages 4 to 8 without glue or wires. This kit offers easy steps that children can follow independently or enjoy as a family project. It encourages imagination, allowing them to personalize their creations while significantly improving patience, concentration, and hands-on skills. Give your child a delightful surprise that keeps them engaged and away from screens. These easy-to-make puppets bring immense joy and a sense of achievement, perfect for pretend play, family time, and storytelling. Designed for children aged 4 to 8, it makes an ideal gift for birthdays or holidays. These crafts are wonderful for encouraging imaginative play, creating family memories, and sparking creativity. What we like. This kit stands out by introducing basic sewing skills with pre-cut felt pieces. If you're looking for a craft that teaches a new skill and is safe for younger children with plastic needles and no glue, this is ideal. It's perfect for developing patience and fine motor skills through a meaningful, hands-on project. What people say. Number 1. Craftikit 20 Animal Craft Kit. Looking for the perfect present? This kit includes 20 pre-prepped, mess-free animal crafts for ages 3 to 10. It's ideal for birthdays, holidays, or family fun, requiring no extra supplies or cleanup. Each activity comes individually packaged with all necessary materials. This creates a convenient craft library, making setup and storage simple for parents and enjoyable for kids. Most projects are designed for kids aged 5 and up to complete independently. Younger children, ages 3 to 5, can also enjoy creative bonding time with just a little supervision. Its color-coded envelopes make assigning projects by age or interest simple. This is perfect for quick craft sessions, playdates, or quiet time during holiday events. As children create unique animal art, they strengthen hand-eye coordination and follow visual instructions. They also explore various textures and materials, all while having fun. Every craft includes an engaging animal fact to spark curiosity. This supports screen-free, hands-on learning about nature and science. Compact and portable, it's perfect for road trips, visits to relatives, or quiet crafting at home. Its minimal mess design means less stress for parents. What we like. This extensive kit offers 20 different animal-themed crafts, each individually packaged. If you need a highly organized, mess-free solution for multiple crafting sessions or travel, this provides ultimate convenience. It's designed for independent crafting, building confidence and developing fine motor skills with minimal parental supervision. What people say. No product reviews were found in the provided source. Therefore, no points could be extracted. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.